Morning team. Quick roundup. Bed 12 developed tachypnea overnight. Not surprisingly, given the COPD and suspected heart failure overlap. Blood gases show borderline hypoxia, but it's not purely respiratory. There's a fluid shift issue.
MIHIRAA, isn't this similar to what we saw in bed 9 last week? The one with fibrotic lung disease?
Superficially, yes. But this one's got post-infectious bronchiectasis, very different sputum load and fatigue pattern. And diuretics won't help unless we monitor urea closely.
She's been restless, too. Could it be delirium from hypoxia?
Possibly, but she's on morphine. Could be the opioid or even mild hepatic encephalopathy. LFTs are mildly deranged. Not textbook signs, though. Just keep an eye out for flapping tremor.
Should we prep for ABG repeat?
Yes. But prioritize getting OT in. They flagged loss of grip strength and a near fall yesterday. I've asked physio to reassess the functional baseline and chart transfer aids. Let's also recheck creatinine before upping the diuretics again.
It's completely understandable to feel overwhelmed, Mihira, and I want to take a moment to reassure you that what you're feeling, while undoubtedly difficult, is a very normal part of this process. We expect these side effects, and because we expect them, we have a comprehensive and well-practiced plan to help you manage them every step of the way. You are not alone in this. We have a range of effective medications available to directly tackle symptoms like nausea, and we will work with you to find the right one and the right timing that brings you the most relief. Mihira, beyond medication, we can also provide guidance on practical strategies, such as adjusting the timing of your meals to have smaller, more frequent snacks instead of 3 large ones, which can be easier on your stomach. We can also discuss specific dietary adjustments, like which foods might be more soothing and nourishing for you right now. Most importantly, this isn't a static plan. Your doctor will regularly review your overall progress and your side effects, and we will adjust this supportive care plan as needed. So please remember, managing these side effects is not a sign that something is wrong. It is a standard and integral part of your treatment journey, and our entire team is here to support you through it.